Live from Hamvention, it's Lido Radio Mounts. No holes mounting solution. Check this stuff out. I think I might pick me up one of these.
Well, that would be
It's
better.
the Headrest speaker mount.
Let's go check.
Check on it. Pretty good price there. 40 bucks.
Okay, I've got a hole on the top.
Got the wedge mount. And y'all know I love Lido products. I absolutely love Lido products. You can go down in the link in the description. I have a link to Lido. I think you're going to like what you find. Seatbelt mount. This is fantastic. There you go. Down here we have, this is a low vibration mount.
This head mount,
Drill base mount.
this thing.
Got the cup holder mounts over there for the 7100. I just can't give away my cup holder.
Nobody knew she
I can't do it.
She's just sitting over there, and
That's
she only
just
got a few votes.
me.
But it's a Go Kid
But
challenge.
guys, I want you to go to the link in the description for Lido Radio Mounts. Lido Radio Mounts. You'll see the link in the description. Go check them out. Tell them I sent you. Anything you purchase at Lido Radio Mounts, using my link down below will go to support Ham Shack TV. Guys, clean up your vehicle, get rid of all the wires, make a nice clean install with Lido Radio Mounts. Link in the description. 73s, AA4WX, WSCB 693.